Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about motor for Vulcan Hart part #358516-1. This part is a replacement motor for a Vulcan Hart commercial oven. It will fix any issues related to the oven's motor, such as a lack of power or the motor not running at all. This part fixes the following symptoms. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the Vulcan Hart unit. 2. Remove the existing motor from the unit by unscrewing the mounting screws and disconnecting any wiring that is connected to it. 3. Take the new motor and attach it to the unit using the same mounting screws that were used for the old motor. 4. Connect any wiring that was disconnected from the old motor to the new one, making sure all connections are secure and properly insulated. 5. Turn on the power to the Vulcan Hart unit and test that it is working properly with no issues. Here is how you install this part. The Vulcan Hart part #358516-1 is a motor for commercial cooking equipment. It is a single-phase, 115V, 60 Hz, 1/3 HP motor with a reversible rotation. The motor has an output of 1/2 HP and a speed of 1725 RPM. It is designed to be used with Vulcan Hart models VHG36, VHG48, and VHG60 gas griddles. The motor has an integrated fan that helps keep the motor cool during operation. It also features a thermal overload protection switch that will shut off the motor if it becomes too hot. The motor comes with mounting hardware and instructions for installation. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.